Hey you guys, my name is Anna and I've been seeing a lot of questions about honeyburn all over the internet. It has been gaining a lot of attention because of the incredible success stories, so I decided to make this video for you guys. I'll be answering all your questions and making a few important warnings, so stick until the end. I've got some fascinating information about weight loss that I think you'll be really interested in. There's this enzyme called lipase that plays a crucial role in breaking down our fat in our bodies and converting it into energy. But here's the thing. Some people naturally have lower levels of lipase, which can make it harder for them to lose weight effectively. But guess what? There's a solution to this problem. It's called honeyburn. It's unlike anything you've ever tried before. Honeyburn is the first and only purple honey specifically designed to boost lipase levels in your body. By doing so, it helps you lose weight and keep it off for good, all while enjoying your favorite foods and drinks. But this is where my first warning comes in. You need to be careful where you buy honeyburn from. It's super important to buy it from the official website, so I linked it below in the description to help you out. Back to the topic. The incredible thing about honeyburn is its unique formula. It contains 11 powerful natural ingredients that work together in perfect synergy to help you achieve the dream body you truly deserve. What's even better is that honeyburn is 100% natural and made with unique ingredients. It's a plant-based formula, non-GMO, and completely free from stimulants and chemicals. You can use it with ease, knowing that you're nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into how honeyburn works its magic. According to numerous studies, weight loss occurs when lipase breaks down fat in the body and converts it into energy. But for some individuals, their lipase levels are naturally lower, which makes it more challenging to shed those extra pounds. That's where honeyburn comes in. It's specially formulated to naturally boost lipase levels in your body. And by increasing lipase activity, honeyburn breaks down fat more effectively, and it turns it into energy and prevents new fat from being stored. The unique blend of 11 powerful and natural ingredients in honeyburn is what sets it apart from other products on the market today. It has kudzu, known for its ability to support weight loss and reduce cravings, berberine extract, a potent compound that has been shown to improve metabolic health and promote weight loss by regulating glucose and lipid metabolism. It also has wild raspberry, which helps boost your metabolism and supports healthy digestion, and raw wildflower honey that offers numerous health benefits, including immune support and natural energy. These ingredients, along with others in honeyburn's unique formula, work together to support healthy weight loss, enhance metabolism, and improve overall well-being. And the best thing is, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee since they believe so much in this product. So if you don't like the results within that time frame, you can just get your money back. So if you're tired of struggling with weight loss and you're ready to make a positive change, honeyburn could be the answer you've been searching for. But make sure you follow the official link to make a safe purchase. I hope I answered all of your questions, and thank you for sticking until the end. Bye, you guys!